How to make deodorant. Deodorants are notoriously filled with toxins and chemicals designed for dubious claims, like 24-hour protection. Even if these claims were true, and the product's natural, you can save a ton of money by making your own deodorant, which only requires a few base ingredients and is easily customized. Ingredients: half a cup coconut oil, half a cup shea butter, cocoa butter or mango butter, or a mix of all three equal to 1 part. Half a cup organic arrowroot powder or cornstarch. Half a cup plus 1 teaspoon beeswax. If unavailable, use an extra 1/4 cup of both coconut oil and butter. 3 tablespoons baking soda, cut to 1 TB. For sensitive skin, use extra arrowroot instead. Essential oils of any scent you like: lavender, citrus, rose, etc. 5 drops vitamin E oil. 2-3 probiotic non-refrigerated pills, crushed. Method 1: Making homemade deodorant bars. 1. Set up a double boiler and start heating the water. A double boiler is simply a large saucepan filled with 1-2 inches of water. Turn the stove on medium-high heat to start warming the water. You then put a second empty pot, bowl, or mason jar in the hot water, which heats the contents of the bowl up much more gently than direct heat would. Never add the second pot to already boiling water. Start warming the water, but add the ingredients and the second bowl once it starts to get warm. 2. Combine the half a cups of coconut oil, shea, or other, butter, and beeswax in the double boiler. For small batches, a glass mason jar will do fine, as long as you can stir it. You can also use a normal pot or pan, or a glass bowl, anything that fits in the double boiler and won't crack with heat. Stir constantly until all the ingredients are mixed smoothly. 3. Add the remaining ingredients, the oils and powders, and stir after removing from heat. Once the mixture is smooth and easily stirred, add in the arrowroot, baking soda, essential oil, vitamin E oil, and probiotics. Mix quickly before the mixture hardens. Gently stir by hand until all ingredients are incorporated. Essential oils come in many forms and strengths. Start with 3-4 drops, adding more if it doesn't smell strongly enough for your tastes. Vitamin E is essential for healthy skin, and makes a nice addition to your bar. 4. Pour the warm mixture into molds, like an old deodorant tube or muffin tin, to cool your bars. If you will be making these into bars, pour into muffin tins or other molds while still liquid. If you will be putting into an old deodorant container to use like stick deodorant, let the mixture harden for about 15-20 minutes at room temperature to harden, and when it is about the consistency of peanut butter, use a spoon to scoop into the deodorant tube and pack down to fill. Then, leave the cap off overnight to completely harden before using. Method 2: Personalizing your recipe. 1. Lower the amount of baking soda if you have sensitive skin. Baking soda has been known to irritate certain skin types, so avoid it if you're worried or know you're sensitive. In its place, substitute some more organic arrowroot or non-GMO cornstarch. Both are gentle for sensitive skin. If you can find it, some recipes substitute 2 terabytes bentonite clay for 1 tablespoon of baking soda. 2. Use beeswax for a smoother, easier to apply product. It is also good for sensitive skin types, though it is not always easy to find. While you can ignore it, instead adding more coconut oil and butter, it is a nice touch that makes a much gentler, easier to spread deodorant. 3. Add crushed probiotic pills for a powerful antibacterial and stench fighter. Probiotics help fight bad, smelling bacteria on your skin. Add it with the arrowroot and other powders. Make sure the mixture has cooled slightly so that it is warm, but not hot, to the touch. Hot oils can kill the probiotics. The probiotic needs to be one that doesn't have to be refrigerated. 4. Try adding a 10-15 grams of Dichotomous Earth, DE, for an anti-inflammatory and toxin fighter. DE, which is mostly made up of the essential trace mineral silica, helps your body fight rashes and infections, helping the deodorant stay on comfortably. You should make sure it is food grade and thus safe for application, and add with the powdered ingredients. Tips: keep experimenting with the ratios of ingredients, keeping only the oil and butter ratios constant. Find the scent and comfort level for your specific skin type. For a simpler solution, you can try using just baking soda as deodorant, the kind you cook with, not baking powder, though. Put some on your fingertips, and wipe your clean underarms. Don't use it straight away after shaving, it will sting. If you miss that nice smell that comes with deodorant, try perfume.